My name's Jonathan Hargreaves, and in this TRN Taster I'd like to explain how to work out the volume of a cube and a cuboid. A cube, which is in green here, has all the 6 faces identical. A cuboid has the opposite faces identical, and that's in blue. When we work out the volume of a cube and a cuboid, we use the formula length times width times height, also known as L, W and H. So on our first example in green, the cube, we have 45 centimeters times 45 centimeters times 45 centimeters. We multiply all those together as per our formula, and we arrive at the figure of 91,125 centimeters cubed. Why cubed? Why that 3? Well, we're using 3 measurements, and therefore we recognize volume as cube, and that's shown by the number 3. In our cuboid, we must be careful here because we have different measurements. We have centimeters and meters. We know that there are 100 centimeters in a meter, and that our answer needs to be in meters cubed. So let's convert those centimeters into fractions. Bear in mind that 100 centimeters per meter, so we can recognize that 50 centimeters is 0.5 of a meter. 75 centimeters is 0.75 of a meter, and we have our final measurement of 3.5 meters. We multiply all those together and we arrive at the figure of 1.3125 meters cubed. And always remember, when we're working out the volume of a cube or a cuboid, we recognize the measurement with the number 3 because we're using 3 measurements. Thank you for listening. I hope you've enjoyed today's TRN Taster, and I hope to see you all soon.